All right, so our group for the 3D printed project wanted to use a more basic mechanism and try and find real world cases where that mechanism is used and try and model it after that. So we found that this oil rig has a 4-bar mechanism in it with the crank, rod, main shaft in the ground. We looked at a lot of images of oil rigs and that sort of things, and this is the one that we landed on because we felt that it captured the essence of the 4-bar and the oil rig in its most complete form. So, spins. Oh yeah, I guess with the challenges with 3D printing, we tried to scale it down after modeling, and that made some tricky situations with the clearances of some of the rotating joints of some of them that were supposed to move versus not supposed to move.